This is a insanely perfect, spicy Southern pimento cheese spread. This old-fashioned spicy pimento cheese recipe is a delectable Southern dip or sandwich spread. This spicy Southern pimento cheese will take your hamburgers over the top. No matter how you serve this Southern spicy pimento cheese spread, it will be over the top, tasty, affectionately referred to as Carolina caviar or Southern pate. This recipe has been a kitchen staple for over 100 years. Welcome or welcome back. Guys, I know that you're going to love this recipe. And when you do, you hit that like button. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and hit those notifications so that you get all of our Simply Southern Grub recipes as they post. Now, let's get started. The first ingredient that we need to work on is our cheese for this spicy Southern pimento cheese spread. So you'll need 8 ounces. Get the block and shred it yourself. If you get the shred that's in the bag in your grocery store, it will have a totally different texture. Might even mess up your Southern pimento cheese spread. I'm just using my box grater. You can grate it any way that you want to. They have some nice new fangled grating tools out there. I just don't have one, so we're using a box grater. Our cheese is all grated. Now we're just going to grab a bowl, add it to the bowl. Guys, this is a recipe that you'll definitely want to keep. This one, when you say Simply Southern Grub, this is what I think of, or one of the recipes that I think of. It is so simple and so delicious. Next, we will add 8 ounces of cream cheese. I have let this set out at room temperature. Okay, we're going to add some spice now to this spicy Southern pimento cheese spread. So we'll be using pickled jalapenos. Guys, if you use fresh, and you can do that, it won't be the same texture. I like the softer texture of the pickled. You will also need 4 ounces of the pimentos. These are, I just have here the good value, and they are diced. Now, the dice isn't quite as small as I want it, so I diced it up a little bit more, and you will want to drain all of the juice off of it. So come on over and let's watch me put this together. Our jalapenos and pimentos are going in. You'll need a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Guys, I'm using Duke's. It is a Southern staple. And you know what? It's got the twang. Just add it to your bowl. We're going to add a dash or two of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Now our spices. We have got to spice up this spicy Southern pimento cheese spread. We're spicing it with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Guys, smoked paprika is my favorite spice in the kitchen. And it calls for a 1/4 teaspoon also of cayenne. As you can see here, I have backed up a little bit on that. Guys, you do what you like. Add this into your bowl. The ingredients to my spicy Southern pimento cheese spread, it's right here in the bowl. Now, you could stir this up if you want to. I am going to use my hand mixer to stir it. I'm not going to mix it. I give it a hard mix, okay? Because I want some of those cheese chunks in there whenever I am using this in my spread. Now, if you're using the mixer like I am, guys, you make sure this is on low speed. We're looking more for a stir than a mix, okay? After you do that quick stir, again, that was on low, okay? I can't stress how important that is to make sure that mixer's on low. Then grab yourself a wood spoon. We are just going now to just fold it. We just want to make sure that all of our ingredients are mixed thoroughly. How quick was that to put that together? This will be great to take to a cookout. It is good for a dip. It's good on a sandwich, guys, on a hamburger. It is delightful. You might wonder, why in the world did they call this and how did this come about? It did come around 100 years ago. In the South, pimento cheese was easy. You can leave it out of the refrigerator and it stayed good for longer than a lot of your sandwich meat. So when people worked in the mill, they needed to have something to eat that was packed in their lunch bags. So pimento cheese, that's the way it came around. If anyone asks, you tell them that one. This spicy southern pimento cheese spread is all mixed together, guys. It is beautiful. Look at those colors, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. So creamy. Guys, let's serve this up. This spicy southern pimento cheese dip can be served many ways. You can serve it on vegetables. You can use it as a dip with vegetables. You can use it with crackers. My favorite, on a sandwich or on a hamburger, guys. This you have got to try. This will take your hamburger from here to there. This dip with the pimentos that have that little bit of sweetness to it, the jalapenos, their spiciness, the mayonnaise that is so creamy, the Worcestershire that brings that umami, and those spices that we added. This brings everything together with a perfect bite. I wish I could hand you some of this. You would see exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, I hope that you will make this recipe in your home. Share it with your friends. This is a delicious, spicy southern pimento cheese. Guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit those notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, you take care and God bless.